Okay, so they give us this graph, and then they ask us for these integrals. And what these integrals are, there's a big S, it means sum, means add up the area between 0 and 4. Okay, so we're going to have to add up the area from here, this is 0, to here, this is 4, from 0 to 4. So in other words, they want us to figure out this area right here. So that's a triangle, right? Just put that in right there, it's a triangle. The area of a triangle is a half times the base times the height. So that'll be a half times the base. What's the base? Here's the base, 4. The height is also 4. So it's a half of 4 times 4. It's a half of 16. It's 8. And that's positive 8 because anything above the axis is positive. So that's positive 8 or just 8. Okay, now they want us to find the second part all the way from 0 to 9. They want us to go from 0 all the way to 9. And we're going to add up the areas. But what we're going to have to do is put a line right here at 7 and figure out this tree. This is a triangle. And so the area of that triangle, again, any triangle, half base times height. So it's a half. The base, this is the base here, and this is the height here. Or vice versa, it doesn't matter. So this is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So the base and height, they're both 3. And that's half of 3 times 3. Half of 9, 4.5. But that's negative 4.5 because it's below the axis. Any area below the axis is negative. And then what about this last section? This last section, you can just count the squares. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because it's just a rectangle, right? So this is negative, and it's negative because it's below negative 6. There are 6 squares below the axis. All right, so then putting it all together, I'm going to go from 0 to 9, from 0 all the way to 9. We're going to have plus 8 minus 4.5 minus 6, like that. And so what is that going to be? It comes out to be minus 2.5. Or you can put it as a fraction, minus 5 halves. Either way, it's good. So there we go.